LCD replacement and deep cleaning on Lenovo IdeaPad 3 laptop. Thank you to Sir Anton for trusting our service. It is very obvious why the LCD needs to be replaced. The screen was cracked. Lucky we have a stock LCD for it. Together with the LCD replacement, he also requested to have a deep clean. Replacing the LCD on a laptop with a cracked screen is typically worth it, especially if the device is relatively new and in good working condition. It is usually more cost-effective than buying a new laptop and can extend the life of the device, restoring its functionality. This approach allows you to continue using your existing software setup and data without the hassle of transferring everything to a new device, and it is also more environmentally friendly than disposing of a laptop and purchasing a new one. An LCD replacement is a worthwhile investment. Having your laptop deep cleaned at a trusted repair shop is highly recommended. Professional technicians can thoroughly clean the internal components, removing dust and debris that can cause overheating and reduce performance. This includes cleaning the fans, heat sinks, and vents, which helps maintain optimal cooling efficiency. Additionally, a deep clean can extend the lifespan of your laptop by preventing hardware issues caused by dust accumulation. Trusting professionals ensures that the cleaning is done safely and effectively, minimizing the risk of damage to delicate components. Overall, a deep cleaning by a trusted repair shop enhances your laptop's performance and longevity. Replacing the LCD on a Lenovo IdeaPad 3 with a cracked screen is highly recommended. This laptop is known for its reliability and performance in everyday tasks, so restoring its display will help maintain its value and extend its lifespan. Opting for an LCD replacement is more cost-effective than purchasing a new laptop and ensures that you can continue using your existing software and data without interruption. Investing in an LCD replacement for your Lenovo IdeaPad 3 is a practical and beneficial choice. LCD replacement and deep cleaning is complete. Visit our shop to avail our service and have you LCD replacement too. Follow our page for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.